So hello guys and welcome back to our channel, and we are back with another video talking about Bitcoin. And we just saw Bitcoin just hit $53,000. So a new mark has been set for Bitcoin, and that is a new high since many years, and it is a new numbers that we are seeing in Bitcoin, 53,000. And today we're going to be talking about what we could see in the upcoming times, if we could see Bitcoin hit that price range again or even go above it. So in this video we're going to be taking a look at everything, what we will possibly see in Bitcoin in the upcoming times and what the possible predictions are. So let's just get started. And before we do start, do make sure to hit the thumbs up button, drop a comment down below on what type of content you guys want to see, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos like this. So let's get right into the video and let's head over to our screen. So we are on this article from cryptonews.com, cryptonews.net, but we will take a look at this later, and let's just take a look at the overview of Bitcoin first. So let's head to coinmarket.com, and we are on the home page, and let's just take a look at Bitcoin. So Bitcoin currently trading at $52,142, up around 0.14% in the past hour, up around 0.72% in the past 24 hours, and up around 4.84% in the past 7 days. So that's what our movement is looking like in Bitcoin right now. We are doing decent compared to other cryptocurrencies, because even if you look at Ethereum is performing way better than Bitcoin right now. As you can see, in the past 7 days, Ethereum is up by a crazy 13.27%, while Bitcoin is only at 4.85%. So Ethereum right now is getting more action than Bitcoin right now, more volatility, and it is just overall performing better than Bitcoin right now. But that doesn't mean we should lose hope on Bitcoin. Bitcoin has a lot of stuff going on in the market. It's just currently hit 53,000. So let's click and take a look at the overview of what's going on right now. So as you can see, Bitcoin right now is at $52,130, and if we just take a look at the overall left panel, we can see still above $1 trillion market cap. Volume, we are at $33 billion, so that is doing fairly well. We are up by a crazy 48.27% in the past 24 hours in only the volume itself. So we are doing great in the volume area, because we were pretty low on volume yesterday, and then we had to make up for it, and we had to go above our regular trading volume, which we did talk about is around $24 billion. So if we go above that, that means we are doing pretty good, and we are currently above that. So that's also another signal we are doing pretty good in Bitcoin right now. If we take a look at the daily chart, we can see it is 24 hours ago Bitcoin was at 51.81k, and we did just fluctuate up and down from this middle line right here, and then here is where we actually saw the main action happen. If we look at this on coinmarket.com, we don't even see that it hit $53,000. We see the high as $52,945. But if we head to tradingview.com to get a more accurate graph, we can see if we look at the top, we did hit the $53,000 mark. We went around to the top around $53,016, I believe. That's where we did head to right here. As you can see, it was very quick, but we did hit the 53,000 price range. We don't see that on coinmarket.com here, but we just to clarify, we did hit that range. And then we quickly had our dump back to the $50,000 range. We went to the 50.7k range just quickly after that. We are climbing back up from the range, and we hope to go back to the upper ranges very soon. So let's take a look at this article now, and let's see what we are seeing in the price. So Bitcoin suffers swift reversal at 53k, suggesting more consolidation ahead. So Bitcoin ran into heavy resistance again at $53,000 Tuesday, a key level that capped prices in the second half of 2021. So it has been around 2.5 years since we last hit those prices. The rejection may foreshadow more consolidation for Bitcoin below $53,000, coinciding with the weekly Ichimoku cloud top, a technical pattern that kept a lid on price rallies in prior market cycles, one analyst noted. Bitcoin once again ran into heavy resistance Tuesday, and following a quiet 3-day weekend in the US Bitcoin market hours, in the early morning hours, Bitcoin rose up to 51.6K, just a few dollars shy of $53,000, before selling pressure quickly forced a reversal, with prices tumbling as low as 50,700. The price had recovered somewhat since trading at 51.2K, down about 1.5%. So the failed, we are seeing a lot of new news in the Bitcoin market. We are seeing some consolidation, so we could possibly see something like this in the price. After this has happened, we have stumbled across that we could possibly see some more consolidation here and there, some more sideways action as we are seeing in the past times. This is a trend we drew in for another video, but as you can see, we are seeing a lot of sideways action from a long time, and we could possibly see some more of that, because the $53,000 range is a very strong point for us to see a very strong resistance that we hit this many times before, and we usually just break down from that, and we possibly see more consolidation in the upcoming times. So that was pretty much it. For this video, guys. In this video, we did go through what's happening with Bitcoin. Bitcoin recently hit $53,000, and we could possibly see some more consolidation in the upcoming times. So if you are new to this channel, do make sure to check out my daily live streams I do on this channel, talking about any recent crypto move, anything recent that has happened in the crypto market. So do make sure to tune in daily, and I'll also create long form content like this, talking about how you can make money online doing crypto, and we talk about any patterns a cryptocurrency is seeing for a possible trade. So do make sure to check those videos out also. So if you did enjoy this video, please do make sure to hit the thumbs up button, drop a comment down below on what type of videos I should create, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in the next one.